Want a home that feels cleaner, calmer, and more put together? These clean and simple Ikea finds are the perfect way to upgrade any space without overcomplicating it. From smart storage solutions to stylish everyday essentials, each pick helps make your home more functional and inviting. All products are linked in the description below. What if your sofa could rearrange itself to match your mood? This modular sectional couch does exactly that. 3 interlocking pieces snap together in whatever layout works for your space. L shape, U shape, or spread out across the room. The deep 29-inch seat practically swallows you whole, and the high-density foam keeps its shape for years without sagging. It's wrapped in soft corduroy that stays wrinkle-free and feels great in any season. No tools, no instructions, no stress. Just unpack, fluff the cushions, and give it 72 hours to fully expand into its final form. It holds up to 1,200 pounds, fits through narrow hallways and tight doorways, and works just as well in a bedroom or kids' playroom as it does in the living room. Comfort that adapts to your life, not the other way around. Small apartment? Big problem? Where do you put a dining table when you don't have room for one? This 2-in-1 convertible solves it perfectly. By day, it's a sleek 5-tier storage shelf holding your books, plants, or favorite decor pieces. When it's time to eat, one quick adjustment flips it into a full 47-inch dining table that comfortably seats 4. The rustic wood grain top paired with a sturdy metal frame looks sharp in any space and handles up to 300 pounds with ease. It moonlights as a desk, craft table, or home office workspace too. When dinner's done, fold it back and reclaim your floor space in seconds. No wasted square footage, no compromises. Perfect for apartments, studios, dorm rooms, or any space where every single square foot genuinely counts. 3 pieces of furniture walked into a room, a bench, a storage chest, and a footrest. Turns out they were all the same thing. This plush Sherpa Ottoman does it all. Sit on it, store inside it, prop your feet up on it, or use it as a coffee table. The fluffy teddy fabric is irresistibly soft, and the rounded edges make it safe for kids too. Inside, there's enough hidden space for blankets, shoes, books, or whatever you need out of sight. At 43 inches long, it's genuinely roomy without being bulky. It sets up in seconds, no tools, no instructions. Drop it at the end of the bed, in the hallway, or the living room, and instantly make any space feel more put together. Dinner for 2 on Tuesday. Dinner for 12 on Saturday. No problem. This solid hardwood dining table starts as a slim console and expands smoothly into a full-size table whenever extra guests arrive. The matching bench stretches alongside it, so your seating grows just as easily as your guest list. Built from precision-crafted hardwood, it feels sturdy, stable, and ready for years of everyday use. There are no flimsy parts or complicated setup steps to deal with. When the gathering is over, everything folds back down in minutes, giving you back valuable floor space. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a larger home, this is the kind of furniture that adapts to your life instead of the other way around. Your bookshelf doesn't have to be boring. This tree-shaped organizer brings a sculpted, branch-inspired look to any room while doing serious storage work at the same time. 6 open shelves hold 5 to 10 books each, and 2 bottom cabinets tuck away the things you'd rather not put on display. At nearly 4 feet tall, but only 8 inches deep, it slips perfectly into corners, hallways, and tight bedroom walls without eating up precious floor space. The warm, rustic wood finish pairs well with almost any decor style, modern, vintage, or somewhere in between. Anti-tip wall anchors are included, making it genuinely safe for homes with curious kids or adventurous pets. Functional, sculptural, and unlike anything else in the room. 1 cube, 5 seats, 0 wasted space. This nesting ottoman set stacks into a single compact unit when you don't need it, then splits apart into 5 individual stools the moment guests arrive. Each one rolls smoothly on universal wheels, so rearranging your entire setup takes seconds without lifting a thing. The faux leather surface wipes clean effortlessly, and the solid metal frame handles daily use without wobbling or wearing down. They pull triple duty as extra seating, footrests, or impromptu side tables, whatever the moment calls for. Available in a range of colors including black, gray, blue, brown, and green to match any room's vibe. Your bedroom floor is prime real estate. Stop wasting it. This queen bed frame lifts up on a smooth hydraulic system to reveal a massive hidden storage compartment, perfect for bedding, clothes, shoes, or anything else eating up your closet space. No straining, the gas lift does the heavy work with one effortless motion. The tall wingback headboard with elegant channel stitching transforms the bed into a centerpiece that looks far more expensive than it is. Solid wood slats provide firm, even support across the mattress, meaning no box spring needed. It arrives packed in a single box with clear instructions and an assembly video. Available in 8 colors from beige to olive yellow. Beautiful, practical, and infinitely smarter than any ordinary bed frame. Stop digging through a pile of shoes every morning. This rotating tower puts every single pair on display, spinning a full 360 degrees so nothing ever gets buried again. 7 tiers reach 5 feet tall while taking up less than 2 square feet of floor space. That's serious storage without the footprint. It holds up to 20 pairs of shoes, but works just as well for handbags, hats, and accessories too. The whole thing supports up to 400 pounds, so it's sturdier than it looks. Spin it, grab what you need, done. It fits neatly in a closet, bedroom corner, or entryway and assembles quickly with the included instructions. Tidy, beautiful, and endlessly satisfying to spin. A sofa, a recliner, and a bed walked into a small apartment. Turns out they were all the same piece of furniture. This velvet loveseat shifts between 3 modes with 0 effort. Sit upright, recline at an angle, or lay completely flat for a full night's sleep. The backrest locks into 3 positions so you can read, watch movies, or nap without compromise. Hidden rollers make the transition smooth and silent. No squeaking, no wrestling with the frame. High-density foam cushions hold their shape even with daily use, and the velvet surface is soft, stylish, and easy to clean. Side pockets keep your phone and remote within reach. At under $250, it's the smartest furniture investment a small space can make. Your home office and your guest bedroom are the same room. They just don't know it yet. This Queen Murphy bed folds flat against the wall during the day, revealing a full built-in desk, open shelves, and enclosed cabinets behind it. Your workspace stays completely set up even when the bed is down, so there's no clearing off laptops or shuffling papers. When guests arrive, fold the desk away and pull the bed down in seconds. A proper queen-size sleeping space appears out of nowhere. Integrated reading lights top it all off. The whole system is built with heavy-duty hardware designed for years of daily folding and unfolding. 1 wall, 2 rooms. Endless possibilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.